What's up, Bombies? It's your girl Bombshell, or back with another video. I hope you're feeling beautiful, feeling handsome, and looking handsome. We are about to get into Blue Eyes, Crying in the Rain, Willie Nelson tribute, Dwight Yoakam. Let's get into it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dwight Yoakam.
In the twilight's glow, I see her. Blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Although Willie Nelson didn't write that particular song, Willie, you'll own it forever. And something phenomenal happened when he recorded it. It crossed over in 1975 and became a hit on the pop charts. And Willie Nelson had miraculously reconciled rock and roll with country music. And all of us that followed that moment, Willie, will forever be in your debt. This is one you did right, and although Farron told you he wouldn't pay you for it, Mr. Farron Young did record it for Willie Nelson. Hello, wall. Hello, hello. How things go for you today? Do you miss her like I do since she up and walked away? And bet you dread to spend another lonely night with me. All the lonesome walls, I'll keep you company. Hello, window. I think I'll stare at you a while. Do you miss her like we do? Down in the mile. And I think I see a teardrop in the corner of your pain. Now don't you try to tell me that it's rain. She went away and left us all alone, just like she planned. We'll have to stick together if we're gonna make a stand. Hello, ceiling. I think I'll stare at you a while. You know I'm lonely and I can't sleep, so please bear with me for a while. Hey, we gotta all stick together, or else I'll lose my mind. I got a feeling she'll be gone a long, long time. Yeah, we gotta all stick together, or else I'll lose my mind. 'Cause I got a feeling she'll be gone a long, long time.
Y'all, put anything else in the comments that is a tribute to Willie Nelson so your girl can check it out. Gratitude for love, support. I'll see you guys next video.